respectively, in Bosnia, Kosovo, Afghanistan, and most recently in Operation Iraqi Freedom. The U.S. Air Force is the only operator of the A-10, flying more than 330 Warthogs in the United States, Korea, and Germany. The first production F-16 was delivered right here to Hill Air Force Base in 1978. Direct your attention to the left. They're on the way. More than 4,200 F-16s have been produced for 22 countries around the world. In addition, 7 nations have acquired regenerated F-16s from the U.S. aircraft storage. Both of the work completed here at the Ogden Logistics Center. To the depot mission here at Hill is the F-22 Raptor. The Raptor is currently operational and flown to Tyndall Air Force Base in Florida, Nellis Air Force Base in Nevada, Langley Air Force Base in Virginia, Elmendorf Air Force Base in Alaska, and Holloman Air Force Base in New Mexico. The F-22 is an air dominance fighter with much improved capability over current Air Force aircraft. It is widely regarded as the most advanced fighter in the world, combining a revolutionary leap in technology and capability with reduced support requirements and maintenance costs. It has replaced the F-15 as America's frontline air superiority fighter. From the inception of the battle, the F-22's primary objective will be to establish absolute control of the sky through the conduct of counter-air operations. The fighter also has an inherent precision ground attack capability. The F-22 is capable of carrying existing and planned medium and short-range air-to-air missiles in internal bays. It has an internal 20mm cannon. The aircraft are piloted by operators from the 514th Flight Test Squadron. The 514th's primary mission is to accomplish elevated risk acceptance flights of the A-10, F-16, F-22, and the C-130. Flight test crews provide the final quality control checks to ensure aircraft are airworthy and capable of returning to combat units. The squadron is part of a unique cooperative effort between Air Force Reserve Command and Air Force Materiel Command, melding the peerless talents of reservist pilots, flight engineers, and support personnel with the demanding active duty depot mission. The aircraft division is a vital part of sustaining the inventory of the Air Force, providing life-extending maintenance and capability-increasing modifications. The Ogden Depot overhauls nearly 60 C-130s annually, refurbishing 15 different models with a contract value of over $100 billion. The depot also services Hertz from the United States Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps, as well as foreign military aircraft. The Warthog was destined for the chopping block before its huge success in Operation Desert Storm that ensured its survival. Once slated for phase-out in 2005, the A-10 service has been extended to 2025. This additional 20 years of service is only possible through the vision of the A-10 System Program Office located here at Hill, combined with the quality workmanship of the men and women of the Aircraft Division. Nearly 60 A-10s are refurbished at Hill each year with contracts of nearly $50 billion. Warthogs at the depot undergo a range of modifications from simple paint jobs to life-extending wing changes and precision weapons upgrades, allowing A-10s to continue to dominate the battlefield throughout the world. The F-16 program is one of the depot's largest, involving over 250 aircraft annually with a total program worth over $130 billion. Depot maintenance and modifications cover 3 decades of F-16 production from the 1970 A model Block 10 regeneration to modification in Block 50 and 52 aircraft, the most advanced operational fighter in the world. On behalf of Major General Bush, Ogden Air Logistics Center Commander, Colonel Day, the 309th Maintenance Air Wing Commander, Colonel Meserve, the 309th Aircraft Maintenance Group Commander, we thank you for your support. We continue to provide superior aircraft to war fighters throughout the world.
Hey, lose track of one of them. Like I'm zooming across. Do we have all 3 of those?
I don't know.